Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Jeep Renegade key fob. First, find the small release button, usually on the side of the fob. Press this button down firmly. While holding the button, gently pull out the emergency key that is stored inside. Set this key aside for a moment, as it will be needed later for reassembly. With the emergency key removed, you will see a small slot at the bottom of the key fob. Take a small flathead screwdriver or a coin and insert it into this opening. Apply gentle pressure and twist the tool, much like turning a key in a lock. This action will cause the two halves of the key fob casing to begin separating. After the initial separation, you can gently pull the two halves of the key fob completely apart. Inside, you will clearly see the small, round battery. Take a moment to observe how the battery is seated, paying attention to which side is facing upwards. This will ensure you install the new battery correctly. Now, use a small tool to carefully remove the old battery. The Jeep Renegade key fob uses a CR2032 coin cell battery. Insert your new CR2032 battery, making sure the positive side is oriented correctly. Align the two halves of the fob and press them firmly together until they snap securely. Finally, slide the emergency key back into its designated slot until you hear a click. Your key fob is now ready to use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.